You've got the perfect video clip, and you just want it as a GIF. No sketchy online converter, no watermark, no upload limit. If you've already got Photoshop on your computer, you have everything you need to make a clean, smooth, perfectly looping GIF from scratch. First, if Photoshop throws an error saying it could not complete the command because the file has no video frames, don't panic. That's common with iPhone MOV files. Just open the free tool, HandBrake, go to File, then Open Source, load your video, pick the fast 1080p, 30 preset, and hit Start Encode. That gives you an MP4. Photoshop will actually accept. Now open Photoshop and either drag your video file straight into the window or use File, then Open. Photoshop loads it as a video layer, and you'll see the timeline panel pop up at the bottom if it's not there. Just go to Window, then Timeline to bring it up. Next, trim your clip down. In the timeline panel, drag either end of the video bar inward to cut it to just the part you want. Aim for 2 to 5 seconds so your file doesn't get huge. Move the playhead around to find good start and end points, then hit loop playback to check that the ending flows naturally back into the beginning. Now, shrink the image itself. Go to Image, then Image Size, and set the width somewhere around 500 to 800 pixels, keeping constrained proportions checked so the height scales automatically. Click OK. This step alone can massively cut down your final file size. If you want more control, click the hamburger menu in the top right corner of the timeline panel and choose Convert to Frame Animation. Select all the frames, set the delay on each to about 0.1 seconds for smooth motion, and set the looping option in the bottom left to forever. Now go to File, Export, and choose Save for Web Legacy. This opens a dialog with a live preview of your GIF on the left and all your export settings on the right. In that dialog, set the format dropdown to GIF. Set colors to 256 or drop it to 128 or 64 if you need a smaller file. Set dithering to diffusion to avoid ugly color banding. Double check the image size looks right, and under animation, set looping options to forever so it keeps playing on repeat. Hit the play button in the preview to make sure your loop looks right, then click Save, choose a folder, and that's it. You've got a finished looping animated GIF made entirely in Photoshop. That's all it takes. Trim, resize, export, and you've got a GIF ready to share anywhere. If this saved you a headache, give the video a like and subscribe to Online Tech Tips for more practical fixes like this one.